Abby, you have to wait till Christmas. Is that your Christmas present? We haven't wrapped it yet.
Abby, it's not Christmas yet. Abby, you have to wait. It's not Christmas.
What did you get? Did you see what your present was?
Go get it. Go get your present.
I want to see which one she takes out of there.
You're gonna let her open it all the way.
She's just about got it open.
She's gonna take Maya's toy out.
She just about got hers out.
Oh! She doesn't want hers. Oh yeah, she does. Abby, do you, do you like your Christmas toy? That's your present. Where are you going? Should we give it to you now, Abby?
Abby, you want to
Should we take the tag off?
Where?
She's very excited. Do you need the scissors? Look, Abby, it has a tail. Whoa. Throw it for her. Ooh. Do you love it, Abby? Well, I'm glad she likes it.
You're gonna kill it. You're growling?
Yeah.
Abby, bring your toy.